Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make an apple cider mojito. I'm going to leave the recipe in the descriptions for you, as well as links for the equipment that I use. If you guys want to support the channel, you can do it by subscribing. It doesn't cost anything and it helps the channel, and it also helps me stay motivated. Alright, without further ado, let's dive right into today's cocktail. Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need rum, apple cider, spice syrup, club soda, cinnamon sugar for rimming the glass, fresh lime, and some fresh mint. We're gonna start by making the spice syrup. Now that we got that out of the way, let's make this drink. Alright, we're gonna start by adding 3 lime wedges into a mixing glass. We're gonna muddle it. Then we're gonna add about 5 mint leaves. Then we're gonna add some ice. Half ounce of spice syrup. Two ounces of rum. Four ounces of apple cider. We're gonna shake it. We're gonna rim our glass with cinnamon sugar. We're gonna pour our mix into the glass. Now we're just gonna top it out with club soda. Want to garnish it with an apple slice and a mint sprig. Thanks for watching. If you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. If you got any value out of this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And as always, until the next one, cheers.